In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your GoDaddy website using the website builder. This process is straightforward and designed to ensure your website remains up to date with your latest edits without losing any of your hard work. Whether you're making small changes or overhauling your site entirely, I'm here to walk you through each step to make sure your progress is saved correctly. First things first, you'll need to log into your GoDaddy account. To do this, start by clicking on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the GoDaddy homepage. Once you've clicked on it, you will be directed to the login page. At the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your username and password. Take your time to enter your credentials accurately. Remember, ensuring you're entering the correct details is crucial for accessing your website's backend where all the magic happens. After entering your username and password, go ahead and click on Sign In. Successfully signing in will take you to your GoDaddy dashboard, which is the command center for managing your GoDaddy services, including your website. Once you're in, navigate to the website section of your dashboard. This might be labeled slightly differently depending on any updates to GoDaddy's interface, but it should be straightforward to locate. Here you're just a step away from diving into your website's editor. In the website section, you'll find the Edit Website, or a similarly labeled option that serves as your gateway to making changes to your site. Click on this to access your website builder, where you can unleash your creativity and edit your website to your heart's content. Editing your website is where the fun begins. Whether you're updating text, adding new images, or changing your layout, GoDaddy's website builder is designed to be user-friendly. Click on any element you wish to edit and make your changes directly. The link provided in the instructions takes you specifically to the editing page, but remember, your unique link will differ. It's important to ensure you're working on the correct web page. Now, as you're making changes to your site, you might be wondering where the save button is. Here's the cool part. GoDaddy's website builder features an auto-save function. This means that as you make changes, the system is continuously saving your progress automatically. You can see this function in action by hovering over the top ribbon of the website builder. This feature ensures you won't lose your work due to an unexpected exit or a system error. However, autosave doesn't mean your changes are immediately live on your website. This brings us to the vital step of publishing your changes. To make all your recent edits visible to the public, you'll need to click on Publish. By publishing your site, you're effectively updating your live website with all the edits you've made. It's always a good idea to review your site after publishing to ensure everything looks exactly how you want it in the live environment. In conclusion, GoDaddy's website builder simplifies the process of editing and saving your website. From logging in to publishing your changes, each step is designed to be user-friendly and efficient. Remember, the autosave feature is a handy tool that ensures you don't lose your progress, but it's the Publish button that makes your updates available to your visitors. It's always a good practice to regularly update and publish your site, ensuring your visitors have access to the latest content. I hope this guide has been helpful, making the process of saving your GoDaddy website as seamless as possible. With these steps, you're equipped to keep your site updated, engaging, and reflective of all the latest changes you wish to make.